Hi everyone, there is a new update in Power BI and you will not notice it except you go to File. So let's go to File and we go to Options and Settings, we go to Options and we'll wait a little bit for it to load and we go to Preview Features and you can see something that we call the on object interaction. That is the new feature right now in Power BI. And a whole lot of people have asked for it, and that is something that we want to show you. So now let's look at it. What is it? So you notice that the visualization, before now, your visualization pane is on your right hand side, but now it has gone to the top hand side. So if you look down and I click down your visuals, these are the different visuals and they've been segmented. You have everything here. So you can actually see the categories of the different visuals that we have within Power BI. So right now, let's assume that we want to use our bar charts, the clustered bar chart. Click on it and immediately you're going to see this. So now you can see that I can bring in my product. I can put in my product in my y-axis. I can bring in my sales in my x-axis. As simple as that. So this is it. You can see this. So, and you also will notice that if I click on these dots, that is where I want to add or build my visuals. So that is where the formatting of your visuals can be done. You can change the different ones if you want to change it. Even you can tell it to suggest a type for you. You can turn it on, tell it to suggest a type for you. So depending on what you want to do, you can actually click down and you can see the different visuals that you have. And that is very beautiful to see. Now, do you want to add and remove your different visual elements? You click on it and you say, okay, I want to add to my data, I want to add data labels to my visuals. And you click on it and it's going to bring in your data labels. But when you click more options, it brings out the formatting pane that we know before and we begin to work on the visuals. You can click on your property to do some advanced options if you want to, or you work on the visuals itself and the bars. You want to change the color of the bar or of the space, and whatever you want to do, you can now do it by clicking on the format. So what do you think about this? I want to see your comments below. Thank you very much.